This is the voice of Dargon, leader of the Star Cruiser fleet currently orbiting your planet. Our ships are landing by the hundreds in this area of your world. 2 of your Earth years ago, our scout craft was ruthlessly destroyed by your planetary defense unit. We intercepted this transmission at the time, so we know who did it.
And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for... Speaking of bells, who's this now? Ooh. Don here. Yep. Oh, hi, Ed. Just hold on one second. I'm recording a video. Let me just turn that off. There we go. Didn't want to be recording this call. What can I do for you? Oh, really? How many? Just the one? Well, I can deal with that. Yeah, in fact, I'm right over the entrance right now. Yeah. Yeah, just give me a moment. Okay. I'll ring you back when I've dealt with it. Sure. Okay. Bye-bye.
Hand over this carbon-based unit known as Dawn from DonDronesOn, and we will leave in peace. Otherwise, we will unsubscribe from your channel, which we understand in your culture to be a fate worse than death. I repeat, this is Dargon, leader of the orbiting Star Cruiser fleet. These landing sites are just the beginning. Hand over DonDronesOn. You have 1 rotation of your planet to comply.